joining in, Jay. Good talking to you as always. Well, with that, we are down to the final few minutes of trade, and the tally is absolutely flat. 6 to 7 points up on the Nifty. That's all that you've got. But don't look at the index. It's not an index kind of day. It's really about individual stocks, whether it's earnings or news, because you've got pretty severe result reactions, earnings reaction or news reactions coming in. On the top side, in terms of a sector that moved today, then metals definitely stands out with hopes of more stimulus for the property market in China. That really worked well. Hindalco has actually beaten now Tata Steel and JSW Steel to take a pole position on the Nifty, going home with a very smart 4% up move on Hindalco. JSW Steel, Tata Steel are close seconds. The other gaining pockets of the market included the Adani Group, as I was mentioning. So on the index, on the Nifty, it's Adani Enterprises and Ports. But beyond the index, a lot of the other Adani Group stocks have had a good run. Some names like M&M and Titan on the upside. But I guess the Nifty story and the bigger headlines really are more about the down stocks than the up stocks today. Asian Paints would be a case in point, 4% lower. ITC more selling. L&T ahead of numbers, also fairly weak.
Well, that's right. You know, just to one point, we had the Nifty Financial Services Index that played out expiry. So yes, the Nifty Bank ended in the red. But in fact, the Nifty Financial Services Index ended in the green with a gain of close to around 0.5%. It was a good recovery that we saw from the low point of the day. At the day's low, it was around 20,411, so more than 100 points on the day's low. And that's because stocks like SBI Cards, Shriram Finance, ICICI Prudential, as well as Muthoot Finance. Now, all these names, they were up anywhere between 1.5% to around 2%, and they are part of the Nifty Financial Services Index, but they're obviously not part of the Nifty Bank. So that explains why, in fact, we had the Nifty Financial Services Index that was higher, while the Nifty Bank was lower because of few of these stocks.
Interesting there, but just to take take that point forward about some more banks than the ones which dragged us down. Kotak Mahindra Bank big selling for the second consecutive day, so that was down close to about 1.5%. And it's closing below its 50-day moving average as well. IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank reports numbers tomorrow, and Axis Bank was down nearly 1%. On the gaining side, Nigel, it's all about your, I think the top four gainers today are all the stocks that you track. Hindalco, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Ultratech.
Yeah, let's hope China keeps their promise. Because
whether it keeps or not, every time there's a buzz, the traders make hay. So they have a field day, a complete party out there.
And today it was definitely China because you had the dollar index actually that was stronger. And the dollar index is stronger, you have metal prices that react, in the reverse. So it was the China stimulus that boosted up these guys.
And Hang Seng was up 4.5%, right, by the close of trade. So that just gives you an indication of the kind of, buoyancy there is and hopes on China reviving economic growth there by way of stimulus. But we've come to the close of today's trading action. Absolutely flat on the Nifty and the Sensex. But don't go anywhere. Our Tuesday special, Commodity Champions, comes up next.